from everywhere. From the east, from the west, من الشمال, من الجنوب. It is our beat marching together to the future. At this very moment, somewhere around the world, a new idea is born. And another one on the other side of the world. Each one of these ideas may change our future. How do I know? See for yourselves. Maestro, take us there. See it, hear it, feel it. It's everywhere. In the cities, in the fields, in the open air, in the ocean, in the wilderness, in the skies above us, in the soil beneath our feet. Everywhere. It's in the soil of the desert made come to life. In the knowledge we happily share. Let's go into a world of environmental responsibility. It's in the energy of the sun we try to collect. In the water that gives us life. A connected world guiding all of us towards a brilliant future. A protected world where we can utilize big data and artificial intelligence. A world that will be the meeting point of all brilliant ideas. Let's go into a world of scientific breakthroughs. Nature-friendly compostable packaging. A perfect steak created in a lab. Healthy protein-based sugar. Artificial heart. What will they think of next? Let's go to a world of equal opportunities for all people. A world of diversity and cultural richness. A world of meaningful, beautiful, wonderful ingenuity. And what about your tone? Your unique voice. These beautiful, different voices, all these hearts and minds pounding as one. The world needs more voices, more ideas, more connections. The world wants to hear your voice. Let's hear you. Yalla.
is what I'm talking about. This is what we can do when we follow the same hopeful beat. The beat of tomorrow. A tomorrow of faith and trust and hope. مستقبل من الإيمان والثقة والأمل. An open invitation to the beyond, where the sky and earth share one thin line, where opposites kiss, where differences rhyme, where the future patiently waits for its time. For, you see, we are different, but difference makes us strong. We all play music at different tones, but on a beat, it creates a song. We look forward, we move forward, connecting hearts and minds. Listen to the beat, it rumbles tomorrow, for this is our time. Listen to this. Listen. People of the world, we are the greatest creators in the world, and tomorrow is our greatest creation ever.